Long-handled brush. This tools is very helpful for one of my disabled clients so she can reach the back of her hair to brush every day. She loves it. Super Kolisky French Brush 14. For professional acrylic brush. 3-piece shoe polishing kit, including 2 black polish. You'll have the best looking shoes in town with this handy shoe polishing kit. Includes brown and black polish, and 1 applicator polishing brush. Quick and easy to use. 3 pieces in kit brush, plus 2 black polishes, great for travel or home, makes shoe look like new. Professional quality Black Friday specials, Cyber Monday and holiday deal. Olivia Garden Nano Thermic Ceramic Ion Round Thermal Brush. Thermic Ceramic Ion. FACILLA Excellent Pro Cosmetic Eyelash Extension Eyebrow Brush Comb. I like it. The eyelash comb works well and neatly, but the eyebrow brush is rough. It's not super soft like what I expected. I recommend if you have the very sensitive skin face, please be more gentle when you use it on your eyebrow. I received the product faster than I thought. So far, let's say it's good. Duo Brush on Strip Lash Adhesive White Clear 0.18 ounce. Duo Brush on Strip Lash Adhesive White Clear 0.18 ounce. Duo Brush on Strip Lash Adhesive White Clear 0.18 ounce. Duo Brush on Strip Lash Adhesive White Clear 0.18 ounce. Icing Expert Big Travel Kabuki Brush Girls Black Nun. A big Kabuki brush with a little body, this size is perfect to travel with for an array of makeup needs. Its soft, full bristles feel amazing when used for buffing on a foundation, powder, blush, or bronzer. Kabuki Brush by Icing Expert 100% nylon brush, hairs short, wide handle, professional quality. Sheep Napa leather case for badger brush, protective travel. Very nice, soft leather. It holds a badger shave brush and looks handsome doing it. A6 red bristles paint brushes for artist supplies. 100% brand new high quality artists brushes, 6-piece artist brushes, flathead, absorbent and flexible bristles. Watercoloring brushes also can use for acrylic paint and oil paint sizes 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 color red. The Wet Brush 2-pack. Black and Chevron, value. Product description: color, black and chevron. At first glance, the wet brush looks like an ordinary hair brush, but with just one use, women, men, and children will learn why it's the world's best detangling brush. Used on wet or dry hair, the wet brush quickly and painlessly detangles even the thickest, most stubborn hair thanks to its revolutionary bristles. Specially formulated, the wet brush's IntelliFlex bristle is designed to be ultra-thin and flexible, yet still have rapid recovery memory to instantly bounce back to its original form. In addition, the ball-tip bristles provide a massaging action that stimulates circulation at the follicle and is a proven benefit for hair health. With a rubber-coated non-slip handle that feels great wet or dry, the wet brush is a favorite among women, men, and children of all ages and can even be used on extensions and wigs. Perfect for use in the shower, after a shower, at a salon, on a beach, or on children who cringe at the sight of a hairbrush. The wet brush allows anybody to have beautiful, soft, healthy, and tangle-free locks. Available in a variety of colors, there's a wet brush for everyone in the family, which is great because it's the brush everyone fights over. Thanks to the wet brush, detangling the toughest knot has never been so effortless. A value 2-pack of black and chevron. Woolly 2PCS high performance filter replacement with 2 side brushes. 2 PCS High Performance Filter Replacements, Nito OEM Part 9450123, for all Nito Botvac models, 70 × 10 to the power of 75th 8085, D75 D80 D85. Also included 2 side brush replacement, Nito OEM Part 9450130, for all Nito Botvac series models, 70 × 10 to the power of 75th 8085 D75 D80 D85. This is not a Nito OEM product and is not covered under any Nito manufacturer's warranty. The Nito brand names and logos are the registered trademarks of their respective owners. Any use of the Nito brand name or model designation for this product is made solely for purposes of demonstrating compatibility. Date Work 1 PCS Bamboo Handle Double Eyebrow Brush. My eyebrows look great. Hated my brows before and this is the perfect tool and for so cheap too. Works great with brow powder.